Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy A21s, and let me show you how to enable night mode or eye comfort mode. So unfortunately in this model we cannot customize the options of blue light filter. Actually all you can do is simply turn it on and then turn it off. So let me show you this. All you have to do is simply unroll the top bar fully, and here we've got the blue light filter. Let's click on this to turn it on. And as you can see, the screen turned a little bit yellowish in order to filter the blue light. So the whole screen and the whole menu will be a little bit yellow. In order to turn it on, simply unroll the top bar again and click on this blue light filter. And the screen turns back to its normal colors. So that's all. This is how you enable eye comfort mode in your Samsung Galaxy A21s. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.